Hello, my name is Yoon Chung and I'm a senior solution engineer. I like to show how you can automate asset master changes in SAP. In this session, we'll be reviewing the top 10 use cases in finance, a demonstration of our studio product, and you'll get to see the authoring experience as well as a business user experience, some potential savings and other opportunities for automation, where you can find sample templates, and we'll end with a summary. Here are the top 10 automations in finance among our customers. As you can see, you can manage both your master data as well as your transactional data. For asset change, customers experienced 94% time savings and an average of 361 days saved. Asset change in SAP involves multiple screens, button clicks, and several fields. Using Studio, you can automate those manual SAP steps and provide your business users a simple Excel template. This helps those users quickly manage large volumes of data with minimal effort. Studio includes three modules for building your solutions. Transaction is used for recording and automating SAP transaction codes. Query is used for extracting data from SAP tables, and Direct has the ability to use BAPIs or remote-enabled function modules. For this demonstration, we'll be focusing on transaction. The authoring experience can be summed up in three simple steps. First, you record the SAP transaction steps to capture the screens and the fields for automation. Then, you get to map those SAP fields to your Excel template. And finally, it's ready to run.